In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Drive data permanently. If you're clearing space or removing sensitive files, it's crucial to understand that deleting in Google Drive is a two-stage process. First, you send items to trash, and only then can you erase them forever. Let's walk through it clearly so nothing important is lost by accident. Start by moving the files you no longer need to trash. Open Google Drive in your browser, find and select the files or folders you want to remove, then right-click and choose Move to Trash. This is just the first phase. Those items are no longer in your main drive, but they are not gone yet. They still sit in trash, they still count against your storage, and they can be restored until you take the final step. When you're ready to make the deletion permanent, you have two approaches. If you want to clear everything in one go, open the trash or bin from the left-hand panel. At the top, click Empty Trash, then confirm by selecting Delete Forever. This action wipes all trashed items in one sweep. Be absolutely certain before you confirm because there's no undo and Google cannot recover these files once they're permanently deleted. If you only want to erase selected items, head into Trash or Bin, click on the specific file or folder you're sure you no longer need, and choose Delete Forever. That removes just the item you picked, leaving the rest of your trash untouched. It's useful when you're curating older content or keeping a few things in trash temporarily while you decide. Here are a few important points to keep in mind. Files placed in trash will remain there for 30 days before Google automatically deletes them, unless you permanently delete them sooner. Until they're permanently deleted, they continue to use your storage quota. And again, once you choose Delete Forever, recovery is not possible, so double-check file names and locations before confirming. There are also a couple of limitations. You can only permanently delete files you own. If a file is shared with you and someone else is the owner, you can remove it from your drive so you no longer see it, but the owner will still retain the file and control over it. That's expected behavior and helps protect shared content. To wrap up, move items to trash first, then either empty trash to remove everything or delete forever only the files you select. Review carefully, confirm with confidence, and you'll free up space while ensuring your data is truly gone.